Have you ever felt like you're in the room, but not really seen? Like your voice is powerful, but somehow it gets overlooked or unheard? For many midlife women, invisibility is real. But here's the thing, it does not have to define this season. Today, I want to connect about how to reclaim your confidence and step into visibility that you deserve. Invisibility shows up in subtle ways. Maybe you're talked over at work. Maybe you pour into everyone else, but rarely get poured into yourself. Or maybe you've even started to shrink your own presence, dimming your own light so others won't feel uncomfortable. But the truth is, you have too much wisdom, too much experience, and too much brilliance to play it small. Visibility isn't about becoming loud or attention seeking. It's about alignment. It's about showing up authentically and unapologetically. Whether that means speaking in the boardroom, launching a new business, or simply giving yourself permission to say, here I am, and I matter. My voice matters. I will be heard. Confidence comes when we pair visibility with self-worth. When you know your voice carries value, you stop waiting for permission to speak, and you create space and claim your seat and stand tall in your truth. And every time you practice visibility, it gets easier. Like confidence. Practice visibility. Practice. So, if you've been playing it small, here's your invitation to step out of the shadows, let yourself be seen. And if you'd like support on this journey, I have 2 slots remaining in my one-on-one coaching calendar. Sometimes we just need a power partner to help us press through our own internal glass ceiling and fully show up. Coaching conversation is always free. There's no obligation or high-pressure sales pitch. I'm just here to support you. DM me. I'm cheering you on.